Hi friends, it's Deanna here today, and today I'm just going to show you a quick, cute, and easy way to do a cute decorative hem. It's the lettuce hem, and we're going to, I got this little piece that I just did a little mock-up on. But anyway, it's super cute. You can see it right there. We're going to do this. This is great for kids' outfits, but it's also great for like tunics, dresses, even the bottom of like cute flare pants or something like that. And tops for decorative sleeves and stuff like that. It's super easy. We're gonna do it on our serger. You're gonna see how easy it is to do, and you might want to do it hem everything this way from now on because it's super easy. So let me show you. And you comment below and let me know what you think about it. Alright friends, so first thing we gotta do is we gotta set up our machine. I'm using my Brother 1034D Serger. And the first thing is we're going to open it up and we're going to remove the left needle, which works great for me because my left needle is broken. We gotta remove it anyway. So we're gonna use our handy dandy little, what is this called? Tool, and remove that needle. And when you remove that needle, make sure that your other needle is nice and tight in there. Oop. Okay, make sure your right needle is nice and tight, and fix it in there. Okay, so you don't need that left needle thread, but you do need the right needle thread, so I'm gonna go ahead and thread that really quickly. Now if you have questions about threading this machine or anything like that, we do have another video about it that you can check out on our channel. Okay, that needle looks crooked, so let me go ahead and fix it. Yeah, that was weird. Okay, so now that that's threaded, we gotta change a couple of other things. Let's start by changing our tension dials. So we're not using the one on the left. So the next one we're gonna kind of move up to number 5. And then we're gonna leave that first looper just exactly where we were. And we're going to move the tension up a little bit on the second one. And I'm just going to do like a 7. Now it is better when you're doing this lettuce hem edge to use a woolly nylon thread on the loopers. As you can see right here, I've got woolly nylon on them just because it makes it fluffier and it gives you a better look. So let's go ahead and thread all that in. Alright, now that we fixed all the tensions, the next thing we need to do is remove the stitch finger. If you don't have a stitch finger, you can set it to R, but all you gotta do for this one is you just literally are removing that finger. There's like a little thing right here, a little knob right there that you just push on it and it comes right out. The really cool thing is that it's got these little marks on it, so when it's time to put it back in, you can see the little marks right there on your machine. There's a mark on this side that you can see, and you just kind of stick it right back in and it goes right in. So you're not have to be worried or scared that you're gonna forget about it, but you just push that button and it kicks it out. So we're gonna put that aside. Now we also have to change all these settings on the side. We're gonna move the stitch over here all the way down to like a 7. We're gonna move it to R. We're gonna move all these. So there's like a rolled hem R and then right here as well. So it's all set for the rolled hem. Now the last thing we've got to do is go ahead and thread our machine, and you just follow your threading instructions in your machine. Alright, so I just had a cone that was basically falling apart, so we added a new one with a different color. Now we're going to go ahead and thread our machine. Always make sure that you are unlocked, your foot is up when you're threading, and you're just going to follow your manual guide on how to thread your machine. Alright, once all the settings are on, we're going to place our fabric under our foot. We're going to put our foot down. I'm going to start with my needle down, and then I'm going to actually pull the fabric at the back and the front as I'm sewing it through. The more you pull it, the more lettuced your hem will become, I guess. I went a way to explain it. Remember to keep your allowance. And there it is, the lettuce edge hem. So cute. Remember to use a thread that you're going to see, because it is going to show at the bottom. The more you pull, the more gathered this bottom edge will be, and the cuter it'll look when you put it on or whatnot. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed that quick and easy tutorial. How cute did that turn out? I love the rolled hem. I think it looks adorable with everything. So let me know below what you think. Was it easier than you thought? Was it harder than you thought? What do you think? Have you tried it? What is your favorite way to hem? Let me know all these things below. And also subscribe to our channel so you never miss out any of our tutorials. Or Bo coming in to say hello. And we do have so many different tutorials here on our channel. So make sure you go looking, browse around, and check out some other cool things that are on our channel. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.